This is your girl Teresa, aka Princess Diamond, and I'm gonna sing a song that I love. It's from my favorite movie, Cadillac Records. It's called Church Bells, and I hope you like it. I have to move back though because I'm loud and it won't sound right in the microphone. I heard church bells ringing. I heard a choir singing. I saw my love walk down the aisle on her finger. He placed the ring. Oh, I saw them holding hands. She was standing there with my man. I heard the promise till death do us part. Each word was a pain in my heart. All I could do is cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. And now the wedding is over. The rice has been thrown over their heads. For them, life has just begun, but mine isn't ending. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I was losing the man that I loved, and all I could do was cry. Thank you, YouTube. That's been your girl Teresa, aka Princess Diamond, and she's out.